Welcome back to Khan Cloud Academy. I'm Shamim Khan. Let's move ahead and we discuss about data structure with Python, right? So next topic is array insert ix method in Python. So uh, this function is used to add the value at its ith position specified in its argument. In this example, we are inserting an element at a specific index in an array. So the insert function is used to insert an item into an array to any specific index position. Anywhere we can insert using this insert ix parameter and values. Okay. So what is this parameter and values? So parameter and description. So I means this is a required parameter. It is the index position you want the item to be inserted in the array. And x, this is required parameter. It is the value you want to insert in an array, right? Implementation. So let's little bit talk about what is the time complexity. So the initialization of the array takes 0 and this is a container position basically on time, where n is the number of element in the array, right? The for loops used for printing the original array and appended inserted array takes O n times each, where n is the number of element in the array. The append method takes 0n time as it adds the new element at the end of the array in constant time. The insert method takes n time in the worst case, as it may have to shift all the elements to the right of the given position by one index, where n is the number of elements in the array. Therefore, the overall time complexity of the code is O on n plus O1 and plus O1 is equal to O1. Okay. And auxiliary space. So the array data structure used for initialization, append and insert method requires a fixed amount of space for each element in the array. The space used by the print statement is negligible compared to the space used by the array. Therefore, the auxiliary space complexity of the code is n, where n is the number of in the element in the array. Okay. So let's try a little bit some programming here. Okay. Importing the array and creating an integer data array, then using the insert array. Okay. So let's do this practical, and somewhere we will try one more program as per the written here. Okay. So for this, create first point is let's import it. Importing the array module. So I'm using import array as array1. And now we have to create integer data type array. So let's define this x is equal to array1 dot array one comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 7 till 7 I'm taking. Okay. Now let's um, first try to print this. Okay. So print x value we have to define here x. Okay. Now we have to run this and check the result. So now array I 1 2 3 4 5 6 we have written, right? Now we have to insert a function. Okay. So using the insert function. So x dot insert. So where you want to put what? So let's put 2, and we have to put before, after 2 it will come like 10. Okay, now check the result. Now we have to print x. Run this script. So you see here in the result, after 2 we have inserted 10 value. Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, so um, let's import the first step. Always we have to import array module. Okay, so import array. Okay, now we have to initialize. Okay, so I'm going to define array 1 is equal to array dot array integer, sorry, mm, and put a list 1 comma 2 comma 3. I'm taking very short to explain. Okay, and hashtag. Now we have to use, now let's print this, printing the original array. Okay, so print the new created array is equal to oh, boy. Okay, so integer, this is the value, right? This is showing as value here. And now we have to print this dot insert. So taking. Okay, so it will print. So the new created array was 1, 2, 3. Okay, now printing the array after insertion. So print to define this the array after insertion. Yes. For I in range. Mm, define the list. Okay. So print the array after insertion. So let's run this code. Now you see here between 2 and 5. Okay. What we got? Sorry, after 1, 2, before 3 we got range was 0 to 3, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3. And after insertion we have a 5 is inserted here. 1, 2, 5, 3. Okay. So now you have to practice this, okay, and practice this on your computer. Okay. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired. Never stop learning. See you soon on the next video.